welcome to Zhucook. I'm Xinyu. So normally it's not easy to find all the basic authentic Chinese cooking ingredients in the local supermarket, even the Chinese supermarket. But it's not a problem because there are so many other options and alternatives you can use in order to cook authentic Chinese food. So let's follow me. So recently I found out there are more and more Asian products are sold in the local supermarket as well. It's a good sign, like more and more people they like to try and cook Asian food, especially Chinese food. So you will follow me. We're going to buy cooking ingredients in the local supermarket and the Chinese market as well. So let's go. We're at the biggest open market in the Netherlands. Normally in China, in Asia, we have the markets every day, but in the Netherlands only 2 days per week. And I like to buy ingredients from the open market. It's not because it's cheaper, but because so many options from all over the world. So, and also you can find the Chinese ingredients as well. Like I always like to try out cooking some new recipes and new dishes. I just cook what I can find from local market. And so now I'm gonna show you around the market. This is my favorite fruit. I know most people doesn't like it because the taste is a little bitter. This is small radish I can use for making my Sichuan pickles. So now we are going to the Dutch local supermarket. What I found is Sichuan paper coins. I just found out that they recently have this one. Before it only can be found in the Chinese supermarket, but now at the local Dutch supermarket you can also find it. We're at the Asian products area. Look what I found. The local supermarket even produce their own soy sauce. Now my bag is full of products. It's so heavy, so I just bought stuff from the market and the local supermarket. Now we're going to the Chinese supermarket to buy the authentic Chinese ingredients. Yes, so now we're at the Chinese supermarket. I will show you my favorite areas, tofu. Nowadays, they're not only just normal tofu, they also have a lot of different types of tofu. If you are also like eat tofu products, I recommend to try, especially this dry tofu. You can use for stir frying. This area is all the basic Chinese cooking ingredients. Especially if you like Chinese Sichuan food, I recommend to buy this brand chili bean paste. It's special from the city, from Sichuan. They are famous for producing this Sichuan chili bean paste. Yes, so you can also find the Sichuan paper coin. Red one and also the green one. Yeah. So here you can buy all different kinds of meat in order to cook authentic delicious Chinese food. For example, beef, lamb, and pork, and chicken, and also rabbit. If you like rabbit, you can also find
I'm
here.
living on a cloud. Out here just floating around.
So now you know normally where I buy the ingredients for cooking. I can buy from the local market and also the local supermarkets and especially Chinese supermarkets. So next time I'm gonna show you how to cook a delicious simple Chinese cuisine with tofu. If you like my channel, please subscribe and I'm gonna see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.